guys, my name is Patra PERMANA. I'm from Sragen. I'm 55 batch. I'm the technical department. I want a tailbird hammer. Let's go. I want to take hammer. Let's go the function hammer together. Hello guys, the function of hammer. 1. The hell pen hammer, often termed the machinist hammer, is a very useful tool about ship. The hand of the hammer is made of handled steel. The handle is of hickory or other hardwood. The flat portion of the head is called the face. And the other end is known as the pen, the latter being used for heading, river and similar penning or driving operation. The hole for the handle is the A. Ballpen hammer are placed according to the width of the head without the handle. They vary in size from 4 ounces to 2 pounds. Their popular size being the 6 ounce for leg work, the 12 ounce for general utility, and the 16 ounce for heavy work. 2. The strike pen hammer is used for splitting or driving out metal inland with the handle. With the cross pen hammer is used for the same operation at right edges with the handle. The claw hammer is used for driving and paring nails. Hammer with head made of soft metal, such as lead, copper, baby. Roll it. Wood. Plastic. Edge. R class soft hammer. Soft hammers are generally used where a steel hammer may or injure the work. Never work with a hammer having a loose head. A loose head will eventually fall off and might injure someone. When use a hammer is held behind near the end of the handle with the face of the hammer parallel to the wall. A grip just tight enough to control the below is best. The correct way to hold a hammer is so in fact to keep the head and the hammer handle free from grease and oil. Otherwise, the hammer may slip from the grips. It should also be remembered that oil or grease on the hammer face may cause it to slip off the work and lead to a broken bruise. Do not run the hammer handle by use is for point or praying purpose. Slacks or slacks hammer are used for heavy work. They can be forged in both single phase and double phase types, and double phase slacks being shown in fig 3 and vary in weight from 4 to 20 pounds. They handle vary in length up to 6 inches. Hello guys, example hammering hammer. Hammering hammer open the cooler. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment. See you guys.